Hi guys, welcome to the Primsoft Technical channel. In the Python Geo application series, today I am going to explain you about how to create a beautiful login form with a validations. So first I will show you my validation form which I created. So in my folder I saved with login.py, so I will just compile it. This is the beautiful window is coming where beautiful background is there. On the title we wrote login form and this is the color combination I gave. If I give the wrong credential, if I write here suppose prsoft and password I am writing HYD, which is not correct, it will give me wrong credential. If I give the correct credential, like if I write PR Softwares and here if I wrote Hyderabad and if I click, it is giving me wrong credentials. Still, let me check PR Softwares. Okay, I wrote twice here. So we have to write only PR Softwares and my Hyderabad. Now if I give the correct credential, it will give me logged successfully. So how to create this complete application, just we are going to see here. Now to start the program, we will use the Notepad++. So first thing what you have to do, you have to use you have to import the file as tkinter into your folder. So how to import the tkinter? From tkinter import start, nothing but whatever it is there in the tkinter we are going to import. After that what we have to write, the second we have to create the object of tk class. So object I created. Then I have to create the frame of this one. How to create the frame? I will write root dot geometry and whatever the height and width you want, you can take it. Like I want the 600 into 300 is my height and 600 is a width, and then I have to create this one. So I will write main loop. So save it. I will create login1.py because login is my old file, and now check whether this file is created or not. So I have to first close my old pop-up which is open, and now we have to exit login1. Okay, so this file is created, but in this file first thing what we have to do is we have to set the background color. Sir, how to set the background color? So background color I will take it from my old file. So this is my background color, I will take it and here we will write root.configure file because this is a configure file is for the background and this is my background I want, and this main loop should be at the last, so I will take it at the last. Okay, so my background is set now. Then after the background, if once the background is properly set or not, we just cross check so that we can write our logic. Now it is set. Now what is the first thing we want? We wanted to set the title of this one. Sir, how to set the title? So we'll create here title. Title is equals to label. In the label, first thing we set it as root comma text. What is the text of your title? I want login form. Login form. After that, foreground color. Foreground color is nothing but front color. What is your front color you want? I want the white because text color I want what? White color. So we can give white. Background color. What is your background color should be of this button? Of this label. I want the same color which is there into this background because it should match. So I will give this background color. Okay, so then what font you want? I will take font is equals to, so in the font I want font to be bold and size to be 50, so I will take it this one. So save and just check whether it is coming or not. It will not come because we did not place it. So before see the output, we have to place it title dot place, and where to place x-axis I want to place it to 200 and y-axis I want to place it to 30. Now save and just check the output whether it is coming fine or not. So perfectly. So y-axis is nothing but guys from here to here the 200 and from top to bottom top to here the space is 30. So you are perfectly how I was getting there for login one, same I am getting. Now in the login one, what are the next thing are just we'll see the login one. So see, this is your login one. How it is coming? Here username, password and these boxes. So same thing I wanted to design here also. So how to do it? So first thing I will create the labels there. Two labels I wanted to create. One is what? Uname is equals to, I will create this same label. I will just copy and paste it, the code, so that our time will be saved little. I will paste it here. But text, what I want the text to be changed as username. Username. And after that we have to pack this. How to pack? Username dot place when x is equals to 100. Nothing but from x I want 100, from the y I want 60. Sir, why I 60? Because from the top the space should be, for this is 30, so obviously it should come below that one, so that's why it is 60. So here I save. This is nothing but I want the two labels, so I will create the one more label here, and the second label will be password. So I will create password is equals to whatever the label we copy pasted, that same I will, the same thing I copy pasted here, only thing is I am changing here as password. Okay, and rest of the things are same. And but one more thing we have to do it here was we have to place it. Placing things are very important, guys. If you do not place, it will not come on the screen. So I will place x is 100 only, because it should be just below to this one. This size should be, left hand side space should be same, and below this one is nothing but y90. I will take it y90. Now just will cross check whether my labels are created properly or not. Okay, this is login 1. We have to check. This is old one actually, login 1. So my username and password both have came here. But the thing guys here is, I don't want to keep as a bold, because this bold is not looking good. If you want to keep, you can keep it, or we can do one thing, we will just decrease the size so that it should be different from the title font. So save, just size I reduce, rest of the things are same. Yes, now it's looking better. Now the next thing is we have to create the text boxes. So how to create the text box, guys? So the first text box will create the below from. You can create after this one also, or if you want below to this one, it is your wish. So better we'll create separately. How to create the text box? I will write here T underscore my text box name uname. Nothing but this is for uname, and text box is called entry here. So entry I will give it. T uname dot place. So where to place this one? Placing is very important now. This is x is 10. Nothing but what? How to understand this form? Just you observe here. Suppose, just understand, this is your screen. I place what? From x, this distance of uname, nothing but your username is there, this distance is 100. Your text box you want somewhere here. So obviously what? This x distance will be more. This is 100, so I will take it, this is 200, so that the gap will be maintained. So x I will take it 200 here. X equals to 200. Okay, comma y, how much I should take? This uname is 50, so obviously this is also 50, because it should come in the same line. So how much is here? Y 60, so you take it here 60 only. Y is equals to 60. So what will happen? Your both the things will come in one line. So just cross check whether perfectly placed or not. Yes, absolutely. Now what we have to do? Same we have to do it for password. So I will create one more T PWD. I will give it is equals to name. You can give anything, guys. Name is not fixed that you have to give this or that. It is your wish. Dot place, and inside that I will write x is equals to 200 only, and y is equals to, it should match with this one, so I will write 90. So both the place has done. But one more thing here, if I execute, See here in the login form I am not able to get some gap. So what I can do is y axis I have to increase everywhere. So I will just go and I will increase the y. In the title no need to increase, but obviously here I will make it to 80. Just I will increase by 20. That's it. And here also I will make it 80, and here I will make it 11. See, save and just try it. So we are getting perfectly fine. Now final thing what is left, submit button. So just create a submit button. How to create a button here? I will write submit is equals to button in bracket root comma, what is the text on the button you want, that text you can write it down. I will write here submit, and after that what we have to write here after the submit? Command. Very important thing, command. Command is nothing but what? After click where to go? So validate. So validate method we have to create, but we'll see whether my diagram is completed or not as it is. So validate is not defined, so compulsory you have to define the validate. So before that I will write def. I will discuss about the validate guys, because till now just I will write the method and I will write it as a pass. I will write the logic, just I have to check the structure whether my structure is working properly or not. Yes. Now submit I did not place it. So like this, if any mistake is there we'll get to know. That's why we are executing every time. And here we have to place, and where we have to place? Submit dot place in bracket I will write x axis is equals to 200 and y axis is equals to 1140, because everywhere we are keeping the difference of 30. So here also 30 is enough. We can make it 1140. So just once try it. Yes, perfectly we are getting. Now we have to go with the validation part. Now if I click, what should happen? It should go to validate. In the validate, what we have to do? We have to read the data from the text boxes. What is the name of text box? One is uname, second is pwd. So I will read here uname, one I will give the name, and I will read p underscore uname dot get. What it will do? Whatever you have written in the text box, that will be written. And then password, I will give name as password 1 is equals to t underscore pwd dot get. So observe guys very carefully here. What is the meaning of here? This uname, t uname, why we are taking here? Because whatever the name of your text box, this is your text box name. These two are your text boxes. First is t uname, so that's why I am taking t uname dot get. Nothing but whatever you enter in the t name, that will come and store into the uname. And password will come and it will store into the password one. Now here we will make some validation. What is the first validation? If your enter username 1 equals to your username, I want, suppose our institute name is PR Software, so I will write PR Software, and my password I am making it as Hyderabad, because we are located in where? Hyderabad. So I will write my password as Hyderabad. So what will happen if the person has entered username and password is same? So what I have to do? I have to write here message box. Now one more thing guys, if you want to give the prompt messages, so you have to import compulsory one module, and that module name is this is tkinter.message box. So compulsory if you import, then only you can call it. So I am just copy and pasting this thing. Same, this is very important guys. Okay. Now the next is what? If you want to print that info, if indentation you have to follow guys, message box dot show info. I'm writing what? Message dot box show info. So what is the meaning of show info guys here? So show info is nothing but it will show the information to you. Okay, I was just little getting confusion with this one. It is small only. Okay. Now here what is the thing is, show info you have to take. So we are writing here what guys? Show info. Show in message box dot show info, and whatever the message you want on the screen you can write it down. Suppose I wanted to print the name uname 1 comma. Suppose this detail is correct, so I will write logged successfully. Okay, and if this is not correct, nothing but which part? Else part. else I have to write what? You are logged, please. Okay, here we have to change the message as, I will just copy and paste it. Space is required, and please enter the, or we can say wrong credential. Wrong credential. Message you can write as per your convenience. Wrong credential. Save this one and now execute your complete program. I am giving the first PR soft and password is HYD. Is it valid or invalid? Okay, some error we are getting, guys. Name one is not defined. Okay, let me check. I think small capital some problem has got. Okay, here it is small and here also it is small. Capital small you have to little bit careful. Okay, just compile and run now. So I am giving here PR soft and password as HYD. Wrong credential because it is not our username and password. So what is the correct password? PR softwares and password is Hyderabad. Now we check it. Wrong credential. Why wrong, guys? Let me check with our names. Here PR softwares HYDRA PAD Hyderabad. Both are correct only. Name one. So let me check, cross check here once, and let me password one. So just cross check here. Now here we have to write PR softwares and here we'll write Hyderabad. Now logged successfully. So guys, just we are executing it again. Now see, if we give here PR soft and here we are getting HYD. So it is showing us what? Wrong credential. But if I give the proper thing like softwares and here if I give Hyderabad, so what will happen? You are getting the logged successfully. So like this you can design the complete login form. I hope we are very clear. If still any doubt, please you can mail me or message me. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos, guys. Thank you for watching this video.